Hi everyone. It's Sunday. I'm just going to fill you in on everything that's happened this week. So after Sweet Charity finished, I got home pretty late. So I went to work on Monday. I worked on Tuesday. When I got home from work, I pretty much just slept because I was so shattered from getting ready for Sweet Charity. Wednesday, what happened on Wednesday? I can't even remember this week. It's just been a bit of a blur. Oh, Wednesday I had clients and I was working on orders. We had a new internet connection installed, so my internet is way faster. So you probably heard me moaning about my internet connection at times. We've now got a satellite dish thing on the roof. I'm not entirely sure how it works, but our internet connection is about 10 times as fast as it was before. So hopefully that should make my life easier. Working from home, doing like emails, uploading videos and things like that used to take forever. So now we've got that in and it's all super quick. So really happy with that. And then on Thursday, I was meant to work and then work here on stuff on Friday. But I actually got a call from the hospital on Wednesday afternoon about 5 o'clock. Lily was scheduled to go in for a procedure next Thursday and they'd had a cancellation. So they called up and said, can you be here at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning? So we were in the hospital all day. She had a gastroscopy testing for celiac disease and it's come back as positive. We thought it was really likely, but this test has proved that yes, she has got celiacs. So we have gone gluten-free. So I came home from the hospital, I completely cleared out the kitchen, got rid of anything with gluten on and put it to one side. And we went shopping, bought a whole ton of gluten-free food, and yeah, trying to find our way through the gluten-free world now and work out what she can and can't eat, where we can and can't go for dinner. We've got a lot to learn, lot to work out. She's taken it really, really well, bless her. She went to a birthday party yesterday and couldn't have the cake and she had to take her own food, and oh bless her, she coped really, really well. But it's a huge change for a kid. Anyone watching celiacs and has any advice on what we can do to make the transition easier for her, easier for us, yeah, I'd love to hear advice. So that was my Thursday in hospital and cleaning out kitchen cupboards. Then I worked on Friday and stayed there quite late because I had quite a lot to do. Then yesterday, so Saturday, I was sewing all day. It was just frantic. I did a big alteration for Shona, but I wanted to get it done because last night was Shona's Mad Bees fundraising night down at Tuggeranong Arts Centre here, which was just awesome. So now today is Sunday and today's another crazy day. So I've got 2 people coming along today to film the start videos. I've got Persephone Peach, who is a local burlesque performer, who I am rocking up a dress for her. She found this peach monstrosity, let's call it. Let's be nice and call it peach monstrosity in a charity shop. And she's brought it to me and we are going to completely transform it. So before we start working on it, we're going to film the intro to it today, then I can start the actual sewing process. And then I've got Sarah, who modelled for me at Sweet Charity last week. I am going to make a couture dress for her, a couture wedding dress. She's going to be my fake bride for the video. And I'm going to film the process of designing, measuring, fitting and making a couture gown, so I can show potential clients what goes into creating a one-off dress. And then we've actually got a photo shoot with the dress on the, I think it's the 14th of October, with Danielle Cleary Events, who are going to use it as promotional material for a new wedding show. And it's going to give me the chance to make a new dress and show you guys the process of what goes on creating a dress. So before they get here, so Persephone's here in less than an hour, I have to set up the studio and get ready to film hers. Then Sarah's here an hour later and I still need to draw up my final design, and I've got to do a quick dye test on a piece of tulle as well. I've got some new tulle that I've not dyed before, and this dress that I want to make is going to have some pink ombre in it. Surprise, surprise, me and ombre and pink, but it's going to be something pretty special that I'm really excited about. First job, set up the studio and get ready to film the start of these 2 videos. I'm just doing a quick test to see if this tulle we'll take the pink dye because we want to get a nice ombre. I'm feeling it won't. It should be nylon though. This dye's for nylon. Maybe it will. A little bit more in. Make it a little bit darker.
It's dyeing out pink.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah, I think we can get a good pink on this. So I'm going to just rinse this and put it out in the sun to dry. So Persephone has just been and we filmed the intro for her dress makeover. And this is the peach monstrosity, as she calls it, that we are making over. Oh my god, it's going to be so different by the time we're done with it. So next I need to just draw up the design for this dress quickly before Sarah gets here. So originally I was going to do a corseted dress with a big tulle skirt, but now I know Sarah's my model and she's got such amazing curves. I've actually changed my design just to show her figure off a bit more. So this is the design that I'm going to be making. So the dress is going to be a corseted fish and flare dress made from this amazing sequin fabric. Then there's going to be a detachable tulle overskirt and a tulle veil, and I'm going to dye both of those into a pink ombre. So this is my little test now it's dried. So that's going to be for the overskirt and the veil, and I want the pink in both to fade at the same height, so the pink on the veil will fade at the same height as the overskirt. Then I'm going to use this collection of gorgeous reds and pink flowers to create a flower crown. Then we're going to put together a mood board as well, so I want really beautiful vintage hair, which with Sarah's gorgeous dark hair will look amazing, a red lip, and then we'll see if the florist can create a gorgeous sort of vintage inspired bouquet with all these amazing pinks and reds in there as well. Sarah's here and we've just filmed the start of the video for this new dress. So this is kind of my return to couture, which I'm really excited about. So it's been a long time since I've done a dress quite like this. It's given me goosebumps the thought of doing something like this again. I'm so excited, so excited. Thank you for being my model, being my fake bride.
Yes.